another video I'm gonna do real quick. So I got a mob armor mount for my phone, and I am ecstatic because I should have done this a long time ago. But these are the extra plates I have, and as you can see, that's the plate for the back of the phone, and then that little red thing right there is the mount where you put on your vehicle, wherever you want to put it. I'll show you. But so this is it. That's the magnet. You just put double-sided sticky tape or double-sided tape or whatever, not tape, but sticky stuff. Put it anywhere you want, anywhere. And then this is magnet right there. So then you put it up here, and it's not going anywhere. It's legit not going anywhere. Then you stick your phone on it, and it's stuck there now. It's just the vibrations from the engine, and it's so nice. So nice to have. I can't believe I didn't get one of these a long time ago. But in these trucks, you can put it. I was deciding right here or up here, but yeah, you can move it anywhere, and that's why you get two of them. So if you have another vehicle, you can just buy another one of these, and then you get another one for your other phone. But you can. It's a 90, so you can put it right there, put it right here, or whatever. Mount it anywhere. Bam, you're done. That's it. But I should have got one a long time ago. I don't know what I was thinking, but yeah, it's way worth it. It's stuck there. It's not gonna move. Definitely buy one. I bought this from PowerTech in Idaho Falls, Idaho. So shout out to Brent. He did all my tuning and everything. It's amazing. I'll do another video on that later. But go get yourself one. I will put the link down below for you to try it out. I have loved this thing ever since I got it. I've only had it for a little more than 24 hours. Let's see if you can even get a good view on it. Come on. Yeah, it's too dark in here. But anyways, get you one. Like, it's pretty cool. But yeah, it's pretty nice. Get one. I'll put down the link below.